the shishito peppers for later. I'm going to harvest this for later. I'm going to prepare a charcuterie for dinner, and I'm going to use some of this like peppers, like shishito peppers. It's not typical like charcuterie, but you can always customize it according to what you like. It's dark already, but I'm going to harvest this shishito peppers for our dinner. I need a flashlight. If the flashlight doesn't work, I'm going to use those like LED lights. There you go. So it works. I'll just place this light in the corner here and then harvest these peppers. Shishito. These are very yummy. These are very prolific shishito peppers. Here's my shishito harvest. And then let's get one of these pears. I am preparing our dinner. We are going to have this Brazilian cheese bread, and then the shishito peppers that I harvested from the garden, and the pear, and like some cheese and baguette. So I need to prepare this first. Just need to bake this on a 400-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes. Then where did you get this Brazzy bites? Whole Foods? Whole Foods. So this is from Whole Foods. So I'll just bake this on a 400-degree preheated oven. We are going to have like a charcuterie dinner. Now I'm going to cook this shishito peppers and then slice the pear. So I am cooking the
baguette.
The shishito peppers
And the
then
baguette.
The next would be the baguette. Yes, I'm going to bake the baguette. And the other one, what's that again? The Brazzy bread, the Brazzy bites, they're in the oven too. So it takes 20 minutes to cook them, and it's 9 minutes, about 9 minutes now, 9 minutes to go. And this is, it takes 8 to 10 minutes, so perfect timing. I'm going to put this there. While the bread is cooking, I'm going to prepare the cheese. So this is a 3-month-old Manchego cheese. I love Manchego cheese, and the Gouda cheese. So I just need to slice this. And then the pear. You like cheese, Josh?
I like cheese.
Okay. That's awesome. Let's remove the wax. And then whatever is like left, I can use them for cooking or eat tomorrow too.
Can I use this on the candles?
On the candle, yeah, later. We're not done yet. We're not ready yet. But you can prepare it. Thank you.
But so you press this and press this to put it off and on?
Yes, that's right. So I just need to slice this cheese. Or maybe make them into the cubes. So the Manchego cheese. Now moving on to the Gouda. It's nice when you're not in a hurry and like you have like different, you have this like finger food. We love to do like hors d'oeuvres or like charcuterie or like pica, we call it pica in Filipino, or like sort of Spanish tapas dinner. We like to do those things. and trim the wax, and then slice this too. And then we're going to watch like a movie. I'm not sure which one yet. If we couldn't find any movie, then I'll probably watch Stillwater. We like Stillwater. It's on Apple TV. The panda. Very cute for kids.
What did you say, Mommy?
The Stillwater. We love Stillwater, right? We love. What is the last episode that we watched?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? I think it's about
Like-
winter. It's winter, right?
Yeah, winter.
And they were like, let me tell you a story about I think it's the bunny, no?
Things like monkey,
Yeah.
mountain goat.
Mountain goats. Yeah, the mountain goats was always in a hurry, right? To climb up the mountain and not enjoying the flowers he is passing by, right? You always have to
And
enjoy
and
the
the
journey.
raccoon.
So these are the cheese balls. It's still hot. It looks yummy. Here is the baguette. We love baguette. Oh, it's still very hot. Oh wait, a little bit. It's still very hot. There's shishito peppers. You like those? What are you doing with those, Josh?
I'm just playing.
Playing. Salmon too. We have sashimi-grade salmon. I prepared like eggs too. We love eggs. Ooh, yummy. Look at that. And then I'm going to put a little bit of salt. And then let's garnish with thyme. There you go. These are thyme from the garden. Look at that. And then now let's slice this pear. The pear from the garden. To balance off all this like saltiness, and then so you have something like crunchy, a crunchy pear, a different texture and taste. There you go. Let's move this to the living room. Look at this like egg. I'll show you the egg. Eggs are very pretty. Look at those eggs with thyme and salt. Here's our dinner.
So this is our dinner. So we have cheese balls, cheese, eggs, spicy peppers, pears, romesco, sushi-grade salmon, muffins, and French baguette.
Which one would you like to eat first?
The muffins, of course.
Okay. These are my harvests from yesterday. I did not prepare them yesterday because we had other plans. So today I am going to cook them. So for the eggplant, I am going to fry these eggplants.